Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Run Adventures. Today, we're going to take my dirt bike out right here. Haven't ridden it in a while, so we're going to take it out just to ride it. And we're going to be testing the drone's following capabilities on the new DJI Mini 4 Pro. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It did take quite a bit to try to get it started when I did start it right before this. Took a lot, saying that it was pretty cold and stuff. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey guys, we went ahead and check it out. The drone did really good. It did lose me in a couple of corners where it was either too low or it lost signal. It was pretty cool. It was able to keep up with speed-wise, minus the two corners. Caught right back up though. And so yeah, it did really good. I'm willing to try it again. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.